Welcome to Montana Language Services Language Access Staff Training. You can access the on-demand phone and video caller from the website portal and from the mobile app on your phone or tablet. If the caller is not already present on the screen, click the phone icon on the top right of your portal home screen. Here you can access your pre-scheduled phone and video appointments, and you can also call an on-demand phone or video interpreter. This is exactly what the mobile app will look like as well. For scheduled calls, find the correct call under the Scheduled tab in the caller and click Join to be connected to the interpreter. You may join up to 7 minutes prior to the scheduled start time. You must first enable microphone and camera access if you have not already done so. This requires you to enable pop-ups as well. Once you've joined as the requester, please wait for the interpreter to join the phone call. The call timer will not be initiated until the interpreter joins. For on-demand calls, you have the option to first choose the gender of your interpreter if the LEP has a preference. The speaker button on the left is for phone interpreters. The video button on the right is for video interpreters. First enter the LEP's language, then your specialization, and click Call. You will then be redirected to a waiting room until an interpreter joins the call. For more common languages like Spanish, Mandarin, or American Sign Language, the response time is faster than for rarer languages or during late night hours, when the response time may be longer or the call may roll over from video to phone interpretation. Thank you for your patience at this time. Once the interpreter has joined the call timer will start. There are a few options you can use within the video call once you're connected to your interpreter. You can turn your camera off for privacy. You can also mute yourself or enter full screen mode if you're using the caller on a website browser. When appropriate, you can add or remove participants by clicking on the plus or minus icon in the upper right corner of the call screen. You have 3 options to share this phone or video call with another participant. The first one is called Dial for Audio. Here you can simply add the phone number of the person you wish to add to the call. The second option is to invite them via email. You will need to write this person's email address and then click Send. The third option is to simply share this link with someone you wish to invite to the call. A chat box is also available on the caller for any written communication with the other party. When you're done with this call, click on the red button on the bottom right of the screen. Once you click Leave, the following options will appear. Please click End Meeting for all and the time spent will be recorded. Remember that once you end your call for everyone, you will not be able to rejoin unless you make a new appointment or call a different interpreter on demand. Don't forget to rate your interpreter. If they get a high rating, we can add them back into your preferred interpreter queue.